Hi, I'm Shannon with WTI, and if you like being comfortable while you read, you're gonna like this pillow. This pillow from the brand Nestle has upped my reading game so much. It has allowed me to sit longer and read my favorite books and not be uncomfortable hunched over. The back support on this pillow is insane. I like it so much. I really appreciate the fact that it has pockets on the sides as well, as I like to keep both my iPhone and my iPad close if I ever want to just take a break from reading or if I need to text somebody back. It's handy, it's right there. I know where it is. I really like that it has a handle as well, as this pillow is on the heavier side. The material is super soft, velvety, and nice. Again, the pockets are just a must. I love it so much. And the back pocket isn't super big, but it does fit my iPad mini. It's just helped my reading so much. Honestly, I just love this pillow and I think you will too, but that's just my point of view.